Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the JUTC depot in Kingston. This is Rockfort. This is a Rockfort depot. And today we want to talk about bus drivers. Now there seems to be a shortage of bus drivers in Jamaica. Now to drive a JUTC bus, you need an open license, which is the highest category of license you can get. They recently revamped the license system, and I think they have 3 licenses now. Private is what you use to drive a motor car, and then open is what you would use to drive a bus. So the same thing happened when the 100 new CNG buses came in to the island. They were parked for about 2 weeks because they did not have drivers. Now, Montego Bay Metro has gotten 12 new buses and they need at least 20 drivers. And I think they got the buses within the last 2 weeks. So this bus driver situation, it needs some attention. Now, to train a bus driver doesn't take very long. So I'm not sure if Hart still offers the course, but I'm sure that there's some government agency that trains drivers. But like many other professions, when you're qualified to drive these buses with the open license, if you go to another country, you get paid more money. So you can't blame people for going elsewhere to get higher wages. The same thing happened when the government brought in 50 new garbage trucks. The garbage trucks came in and they were short of drivers. Not sure what happened with that situation, but the garbage trucks are out on the road and the CNG buses have been put out on the road. So Montego Bay Metro now needs 20 new drivers. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with Montego Bay Metro. Montego Bay Metro has expanded its fleet with 12 new buses and is experiencing an increase in demand for its services, prompting the need to hire at least 20 more drivers. According to General Manager Dr. Shauna Gay Brown, new routes such as Montego Bay to Savlamar and Betheltown have created a greater demand for drivers. The company is inviting qualified individuals with at least 3 years of experience holding an open PPV public passenger vehicle license to apply. Additionally, Montego Bay Metro is looking to recruit mechanics to maintain and service the growing fleet. So that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. This is the JUTC Rockfort Depot in Kingston. Alright guys, have a good day.